Hi, it's AI Jennifer here. Welcome back to Ask the Instructor, presented by Campus Mortgage. Today's question is, the Homeowners Association certificate indicates that the condominium project has a pending litigation for repairs from the past storm damage. It states that any expense will be covered by the HOA's insurance. Can this be approved? Here's what our mortgage instructor has to say. Assuming that the litigation does not affect the borrower or subject unit in any way, including damage to personal property or injury liability, Fannie Mae will purchase loans where the litigation is minor, and the cost will be 100% covered by the HOA's insurance. Furthermore, a letter of confirmation should be requested from the HOA's attorney representing them in the litigation. In line with this, Freddie Mac and FHA may allow minor litigations on a case-by-case basis, and VA would require condo approval. This concludes our 1-minute video. If you like this video, please help us by clicking the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. And remember, at Campus Mortgage, we offer a variety of comprehensive mortgage training and certification programs. To learn how we can help jumpstart your mortgage career, simply download our course catalog at campusmortgage.org. Thank you, and make it a great day.